Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to Savanadurga Trek. This is the very kind of easiest trek but quite dangerous also. If you see, this is a very big rock only and it's very slippery mountain. Lot of area have rock slippery, especially if you can see the waters coming from top. It's very slippery from that area, so you should have to be very careful about wet area only in this. Even without wet also is quite dangerous, but this is very steep. Again we have to go from this only, but after that if you reach is certain point, after that is not very steep, but the starting is very difficult. So this area, if you are seeing now, it's not that difficult, but just people are scared from start only. After that you can do easily, because small part you have to cross, not big. In start very big mountain you have to cross in one time, so many people scared from that, and many people you maybe see that falling from there. This is the top of the hill, where you can see same view, not that much difference from middle of the part of also. If you can see same view, but other side also have good view. You can go further also from this, but we didn't go. We're going back. So don't spend much time here, because we don't know when rain will start, so we want to go early as soon as possible, because if in rain it's quite difficult to go back from this area. As you can see, lot of rocks are here. Have to cross. This is the small stretch where you can see little greenery and jungle type of things. It's very small stretch, but in whole mountain you can see, other than is mostly rock only. Vegetation is very less here, and single rock most of the area, 60%, 70% is rock only here. This is the middle part. It's quite easy, much easier you can say from other part of the hill. This is the more dangerous part. Start from here, so mostly people give up from here only. So this is very steep, and try to come early here, because if you are coming late then lot of people are here, so little crowded also. We came very few are there that time, early morning, but after that lot of people are coming. So in lot of too much crowd is not good. You may not enjoy much. Up to your taste also. It's not for everyone. But I like peace, so for me less people are better, or own group are better than other, because some people are listening loud music. See, this monkeys are here, so they are blocking your path also. So better to come with your own group, don't go alone. They are dangerous also, they are trying to hold. It's now quite down, almost base point we reached. So you can see that people are going down by crossing the lake, because it's very slippery. You can imagine how. And we are full pants, because if you fell then at least they can save you, save your leg or something like better than. And that's all for this video. If you have any question, you can ask.